Hi guys, welcome to this system. I've just put a new package online, so update your databases with the word update. Everything comes in and then you can install this particular thing, which is called Microsoft Office Online. It has been on my radar for a while, for years, but sometimes it didn't work, sometimes it worked, but it was not efficient enough. So now it really is nice, because often we just need a quick editor or an Excel or something like that, and this is now pretty good. So I've logged in already, and you see here, this is the look we get. It's the same look as online, so basically nothing is installed on our machine. It's just a window, and inside that window you log in, give your password there, and then you go and have a look at all the Excels, the OneDrive, the Words, the PowerPoints, everything that's available. You can also go this way to Dropbox and so on. I need to sign in. Dropbox, yeah, I didn't sign in there, but OneDrive is of course from Office, well, from Microsoft. Sway is there as well, I see. Yeah, it's okay. So it's okay. It's responsive, it works. We've got a calendar, we have Teams, we have OneNote. It all works, and it all well, is present, available, and it's on ArcoLinux, right? So that's the main point. Getting to work online via browser is the same, but yeah, you got yourself a nice window and everything is inside it. That's also a plus. All right, so that's a new application you can now try out and have fun with. Cheers.